My name is Trey Robertson, and I'm a program manager at ADDMAN. So yeah, when I started at then CAM, now ADDMAN, I came on as a process engineer, but I had very much wanted to get back to the program side of things. And so a few months ago, there was an opening available on the program team, and I figured that was as good a time as any. So before coming to ADDMAN, I was active duty Army, went to West Point, I graduated with a degree in civil engineering. When I got off active duty and was looking for a job in the private sector, this was a great position because it helped bridge that gap between the engineering side of things, which was what my educational background was, and then most Army officers, most of their career is spent either in operations or either program or project management. And so the process engineer role gave me the ability to meld both of those together, but what I kept wanting to get back to is get back to more of that program management, project management role. All of a sudden, these opportunities for advancement really started showing up. As the ADDMAN team as a whole grows larger, there's more and more opportunities for people within that organization to continue their careers, not by leaving the company, but by moving within the company, either into a different role that they're interested in growing in or one that fits their interests more. And that's what making this move over to the PM team has allowed me to do, is really focus back on that, what I feel like is really a core competency, where I spent 11 years doing it for the Army, and now I get to take that skill set and do it for ADDMAN. One of the great opportunities that comes with moving over to the program management team is it opens up a huge number of different pathways I could go in the future. So within the program management team, I could be able to stay in that line and continue that up. It would be just as easy to move over to one of the account managers, account executive side of things. So within the commercial team, it opens up all manner of different opportunities. Now, I very much like what I do right now, so I'm pretty content in that line. But if I ever see that there's another interesting or enticing opportunity on another part of the commercial program, I know that there's opportunities there as well. I'm from Statesville originally. My family have got a cattle farm in East Iredell County. As I was kind of reintegrating back into my hometown, I got drawn into the downtown life. Before long, I had opened up a shop with one of my Army Reserve fellow commanders who I knew from reserve land. He and I opened a shop downtown, and then within a year, they had elected me the chairman of the Downtown Association, and I think 4 months into that, I won election to city council. So I've not really been going in for downtime much, and so being able to just live that life in North Carolina has been wonderful to come home to. We're always looking for people who are interested in learning, who are inquisitive, who are wanting to help make the next discovery or breakthrough in manufacturing and engineering. That's something that always motivates me. When you're on a successful team or a winning team or a team that is moving towards something that's great, that's a great reason to wake up. For every day you got a new and exciting adventure because you're doing something really, really quite cool that has massive implications of what we do here for the whole country, what I do in town for the whole city. And then just the satisfying element of the people are absolutely fantastic, and seeing them achieve their highest potential as well. If that doesn't motivate you, I don't know what else would.